Hey beautiful people, welcome again to Terry's Kitchen. So on today's recipe I want to show you on how to make guacamole. Kindly watch this video to the end so that you won't miss any step. For this recipe you'll need tomato, lemon, avocado, onion. You can also use red onion, not necessarily the white onion, and coriander leaves. Then we'll start by peeling your avocado. Just cut it into two as shown in this video. After that, we're going to cut the onion into small pieces. Then we're going to mix the onion and avocado and mash them well. We'll then set that aside and cut the rest of the ingredients, that is tomato, lemon and coriander leaves. So we're going to cut the tomato into small pieces as shown in this video. So I've used a half of tomato because this tomato was so big. After you're done with all ingredients, you're going to squeeze in lemon juice, fresh lemon juice. Then you're going to add some salt to taste and some black pepper, just a little bit of black pepper. Then you're going to add some chili flakes. Chili flakes is optional. After that, you're going to give that a mix. Make sure you mix that well so that all the ingredients can incorporate well. And just like that, your guacamole will be ready to be served. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to give me a like, comment and share with others. Please do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section after trying. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Until next time, bye bye.